Hello everybody, my name is Miara Nair and I'm here to talk about a topic that will change your life for sure. I know, unless you have already gone into this habit. So the topic's name is solving problems with no violence. So let us begin. But before that, a short explanation. What is the example of it? The example of it is, let me begin. So, I had gone down with all of my friends. So, we were playing a game and it was raining, so one of my friends slipped. So then, I told her, like, if that happens to you, like if you go into war, have you seen warriors? Like, when they fight, the wounds that they get. So then she got irritated when I had said that to her. So then, like I had said lots more, but now since this is a video, so I'm not telling you the full thing. So she got irritated and she just punched me on my chest. So that hurt me. So I felt like I should have punched her again. But what did I do? No violence. No punching, no hitting, no beating. I just told her, Angela, you know that while you fight or while you cry or while you do any of the sad stuff or angry stuff, you gain more bad cells and that can cause you cancer. So I took a chance, like there are two advantages of not hitting. One, no cancer, as I explained to you. And the second one is, if I hit you, you will feel like hitting me back. Then I'll again hit you. Then you will again hit me. Then I'll again hit you. Then you will again hit me. And then all that pain will start, all that bleeding, and then all the parents will come down, the friendship is over. Yeah, so that's what I grounded her. I told her that's enough. No more friendship with you or me. So I went away with my other friends. So then she begged me, please, 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 please. So like for 3 hours I didn't forgive her again. So then I thought that what more? Meaning I could give her another chance, right? So then I told her, fine, I'm going to give you more chances. But only on one condition. You will swear that you don't do this again. Anyway, what's the use? So then she told, okay, but don't break my friendship again. No, I'm not going to do that, so don't do that. I said, fine, deal. So that was end of that. And that's how we again became friends. So that was a plus point of, non-violence. So now I'm going to explain to you what is violence to make you understand what is non-violence. So violence is when two people are fighting against each other and beating each other. But non-violence is when two people are fighting but they decide that they will solve the problem by talking. Okay, so then they will list like, okay, so these are my points, that. Then the other person will say, these are my points, that. And then you can negotiate on that in a polite way. And then that's enough. And then we can listen. Please don't mind me, my mom's phone started ringing or somebody's phone started ringing. So, yeah. Okay. So then, that's a thing. Okay. There are like just a thin line. Okay, I'll just draw it. Between violence and non-violence. Because it's just like the opposites. Okay, so now I will tell you what is the meaning of it. Okay, so that's not meant to be explained. Yeah. So now I will tell you how to do it. Yeah, because it's going to be quite hard for you guys. So let's see with a little thing. So before that, I'll give you a little homework. Write it down in the book, okay? So if you have a book and pencil right at this moment. So the first thing is, okay, I'm going to wait if everybody's gotten their comments. So the first thing listed in it is just focus on every day. Be very mindful, okay? Like if any of this happens to you, just okay, that's not necessary, but just calm your mind and say, okay, now I'm not gonna do this, not gonna do that, but I'm gonna do this. That is non-violence. So, like if this happens to you or someone hits you, what will you do now? Will you hit them back? Is that the right option? Or will you do nothing? That's also a wrong option. But the right option is non-violence. Like you don't hit them, but you give them another punishment. Like my punishment was like, you are not my friend anymore. But I agreed on it. So I gave her another chance. So like that you have your own ways. But remember not to use violence. Because hitting and beating is not a solution. Not an option. That's why now let's cool down our heads and let's focus on being mindful about this. So bye everybody. Let me see how you do next time.